Hello, my name is Oleksandr, and in this video I want to show you one of the programs I developed. I created it around 2015. Now I decide to make a video review of this program for history. It is a program for cutting sheet metal. At that time I worked for a company specializing in custom furniture manufacturing. The production manager said that a program for calculating sheet cutting would be very useful for him. No sooner said than done. The program's interface is very simple. All that was required of the program was to calculate quickly and accurately. On the left side, we have a list of parts for cutting. Here we specify the description, length, width, and quantity of the parts. The list of parts can be copied from another program and pasted using ctrl+v. If you right-click on a row, you can change the orientation of the width and height. After filling in the table, I am pressing the calculation button. On the right side, the cutting result is displayed. If you right-click, you can see the measurement result. If you left-click on any part, you can rotate it or move it to another location. At the top, the main cutting parameters are displayed: number of sheets, sheet size. The number of sheets is calculated automatically, but you can add sheets manually if needed. The sheet size can also be entered manually. Order description, material, the number of parts on each sheet, then the total area and remaining area, as well as the width of cutting tool are displayed. The menu at the top contains some settings. Here you can configure the gap between parts, colors, and fonts for displaying information. After completing the calculation, the data can be saved into a file and printed. The program was written in C# language. It is WinForms project using .NET Framework 4. The program began being used in production even during development, following an iterative development approach, and helped with sheet cutting. Thank you for watching.